Top secret report on Tagwirei. Tagwirei and his criminal syndicate, Zvigananda, their unfolding impact on Zimbabwe and its politics. Sanapina mashoko, my investigation arikuitwa pana kuda Tagwirei, a top secret document. Panguva ino yolika irikuya ichishowa corruption yose yakuda Tagwirei. Do subscribe or like out on the bell. In the first video, we have explained our nekutaura the first part. Right now, we are going to speak about the second part. Number 2, Yamukaranga Tagwirei's alleged crimes under investigation. 2.1, Command Agriculture, weaponization, hunger for profit. $3 billion fraud. Tagwirei's Secunda Holdings secured a no-bid monopoly over Zimbabwe's Command Agriculture program, a scheme meant to boost food security. Instead, it became a cash cow for Tagwirei and his Uganda at the expense of the Zimbabwean people. Ghost inputs and fake invoices. Parliamentary audits from 2018 to 2020 reviewed Secunda invoiced the state for fertilizer, seeds, and equipment that were never delivered. Farmers received rotting seeds and empty promises. Forex arbitrage. Tagwirei obtained US dollars at the official exchange rate, then 1.1, 1:1, and sold farm inputs at higher black market prices, retaining the profit margin. US sanctions. In 2020, the US Treasury sanctioned Tagwirei for corrupt economic activities tied to Command Agriculture, calling him a beneficiary of government corruption. 2.2, Fuel cartel and economic sabotage. Secunda HAASI stranglehold on fuel imports allowed Tagwirei to create artificial shortages, hold forex, and manipulate prices. During the 2019 crisis, fuel meant for public stations was diverted to illegal markets, with Secunda profiting from desperation. 2.3, Economic mismanagement and the fraudulent issuance of treasury bills. Tagwirei see abuse of state institutions. The fraudulent issuance of treasury bills resulted in the local currency collapse and massive devaluation. These actions wiped out approximately $4.5 billion from the market between 2019 and 2024, causing severe losses to ordinary Zimbabweans, pension funds, and institutions. While Tagwirei and his Uganda pocketed money than $1 billion. Number 2.4, looting $1.9 billion of state funds through the illegal and fraudulent sale of shares in Kuvimba mining house. Tagwirei, in collusion with the Minister of Finance and Economic Planning, Ndoli, Permanent Secretary George Kwamatanga, and former Reserve Bank Governor, now Mutapa Investment Fund CEO, Dr. John Manguja, looted $1.9 billion through the illegal and fraudulent sale of shares in Kuvimba mining house to the government of Zimbabwe via the Mutapa Investment Fund. Though some of the corrupt deals ari kuonekwa kunzi aiitwa nakuda Tagwirei nemamwe achiri kuita ari kuexposwa in this top secret document. Tuzive mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. As we shall continue, aiwa nekurevhewla kwamuri vagari venyika yeZimbabwe zviri kuitika right now. Pinda comment section medu unzwa mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.